You just got arrested in Europe, and you have exactly one phone call to your parents. If you live in Sweden, your parents will calmly call a social worker. But if you live in Eastern Europe, you better get comfortable in that cell, because your parents are not coming to pick you up. We compared parental reactions across 40 European countries, and the cultural divide is terrifying. Wait a second. I see that a lot of you are watching right now, but haven't actually hit that subscribe button yet. Do me a quick favor. Help us smash our channel goal of hitting 500 subscribers as soon as possible. Drop a like, hit subscribe right now, and let's jump right into the craziest country reactions. Now it's your turn. Drop your country's flag in the comments right now and tell me honestly, would your parents come rescue you, or would they leave you to rot in that cell? Let me know below, and I'll see you in the next cultural showdown.